Hi po sa inyo! Tayo na naman po ay magmi-me time video habang tayo'y nakaupo at nagaantay ng ating sasakyan na susundo para pumunta sa aking medical general check-up.
A few moments later.
Sa ngayon, nasa loob na kami ng aming sasakyan. Habang ang sasakyan namin ay tumatakbo, nagbibideo na naman si Team Super A sa labas para may ipakita sa inyo guys. Ako ay nanggaling from New Taipei papuntang Taoyuan. So it takes 1 hour ride papunta po sa general check-up namin. So before a year ago, ako po ay nanggaling sa Taichung kung saan the place of general checkup at that point and last 1 year ago is different. So maybe the comparable of that general place, general checkup medical is different from the other general medical center. So maybe in such any different place na hindi magkapareho, may hindi talaga magkapareho na pamamalakad at pamamaraan. So, for me, mas gusto ko yung pamamaraan at pamamalakad ng Taoyuan General Checkup compared to the last year's General Checkup that I had experienced. But they're all very good. But the way it is, they have different ways. So I give the higher rate for Taoyuan way of giving their general checkup. So it's just my rate guys. So I don't know with you as living and working in Taiwan. So hindi ko alam kung anong bet nyo, kung sa Taoyuan ba o sa Taoyuan ba o sa Taipei ba o sa Taichung. So give us a comment down below guys kung ano bang mas maganda sa inyo. For me, this is my second general check-up in different places. So for me, I like Taoyuan compared to Taichung. Thank you for watching guys. Mabuhay. God bless us all. Bye. See you for my next vlog. Bye bye.